I'm just getting in here, and I honestly have no idea what the hell's happening here this morning. Okay, so they do have it fenced off. I cannot get any closer. Back up so you can give you a better picture here of everything. What in the world is going on here today? What in the world? Okay, so let me show you. Oh, let's just hold on one second.
It definitely happened. I people that still have injuries due to PTSD. I'm just on the show for it.
I had the feeling today I was going to be rolling into a big pile of you know what. I didn't think it was this big of a pile, though, to be honest with you. All right, so let's take a real quick peek back here. Okay, so Supreme Court, we've got a little tiny protest going on, lots of filming, distraction. I kind of ignored that, came straight here. We've got straight across the street, we've got another little tiny one with a lot of young people doing, I don't know, another distraction, but I wanted to show you that. But this is what, look here, not there, right? You know, so my first thought when I saw, I was like, okay, well, maybe these are new. And I was like, okay, so they look, no offense, guys up there, but they look a little too old to be. So what the heck is happening here? Obviously, we've got quite a few, the black SUVs, some agent cars on both sides. That flag up, that flag not. That flag is always up, guys. That flag never comes down. Only at half staff, okay? Only the House and Senate flags go down. That's it. What the heck? Alright, well. What in the world? There's a lot of suits. Yeah. And they have detail. That is a beast. Oh my gosh. That thing is a beast. Honey, what's going on? Nothing major, but a lot of stuff is about to kick off. Okay. I'm live, just so you know, on Facebook, so if you don't want to talk to me, it's okay. I have never seen this many, like, out here. This is unusual. Oh, yeah, I'm here every day. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's just a big day. Yeah. I get it.
Maybe not daily normal. This is sort of
the new norm in DC. Yeah, sadly. Okay, well, I appreciate that. Thank you very much. All right, guys. Well, I tell you what I'm going to do. I am going to shut down. Yeah, I'll shut down and